Alright, we're gonna burn some weeds. First thing you gotta do, dig out your propane torch. Watch for spiders, because I'm sure it's covered in them, and I don't like spiders at all. Then you're gonna want to get a little furniture dolly. Let me go grab one and show you what I do. Look at how nice and dead all those weeds are. Oh, it's perfect. It's been raining, that's why the yard's looking so green. But the problem is with that rain, I think our weeds might be a little too soggy to torch, but we're gonna try anyways, because I'm determined. I don't have a lot of time. Okay, so you get your little Walmart deluxe dolly like that. Walmart, whatever you want. Home Depot, I guess is probably more what it is. And then you want to set your deal on there. What I do is I drag it around like this, and then I'm torching with my right hand. So I actually want this spun over there, so I can drag this. The torch hose comes behind me, and I run the torch with my right. So I'm gonna strap it on, and then we'll go burn some stuff. Okay, like I said, these dead grass might be a little too dry to burn well today, but I'm gonna try because I'm limited on time. Here's our torch. It's kind of cool. I'll put a link below. You can get this at Tractor Supply Company. You can get it at all kinds of places. Anyways, it's pretty adjustable. What you do is you just turn that on, get enough flow, hit the igniter, and you get a nice easy running burn. That's perfect for burning weeds. But when you want to go turbo mode, which is fun, you just pull your trigger and you got turbo mode. It blows so hard it'll blow itself out. It's kind of cool. So anyway, there's a weed burner. Again, it blows itself out. It's pretty wet. I'm surprised it's burning at all, really. But to make it really easy, you can adjust your outflow to where you don't have to hold the trigger at all. So it's at a comfortable burn. And then when you get to like the root ball, give a little extra and burn right in. Okay, here's the other part of weed burning. 11.8. Oh yeah. So we have a good charge. I'm not going to charge that. I just need to get some fuel. Okay, I've been running the propane torch for a little while. My igniter kind of went out, so I probably ought to replace that, but it does a decent job. But now, because it's fun, I'm gonna move this out of the way. If you watch all my videos, I got my super torch here. So, it's fun because it uses gasoline. Let's see if I can one-hand this beast and record it for you. That's awesome. So much faster and so much more fun. You ought to pick one of these up. They're about 600 bucks, but so worth it. There's that spot kind of there in the middle. Doesn't want to burn. Get it a little bit more. Whew. There you go. Very, very efficient and incredibly fun. Make sure and get the right tool for the job. This is like the normal one, but this one is so fun. The nice thing about the gasoline one is this is all pretty wet, so it's really, or damp, I guess. It's pretty safe to burn. It doesn't spread, so it's easy to maintain and contain the fire. But the gasoline one, it leaves gas. Like I squirt it right there for quite a while. It's just gas burning the rest of the weeds. Anyways, I'm gonna do it a little bit more right down the edge there, maybe burn down that power line, and hopefully be done for the day with this anyways. My poor neighbors, I love them, they put up with me. So it's all fueled up, power's on, 11.7 volts, 11.8, oh, we're building power. You just hit this button with your thumb. It's kind of difficult to do whilst recording, but here we go. Just like that, and then you hope that the fire's out before the fire department shows. It's a good time. Now I'm just gonna do the touch up with the propane. So normally you can just light a little bit and just let it burn. You kind of follow it along and let it go, like if you're burning a ditch or something, but I don't have that pleasure. My nephew's ugly old truck's in the way and I don't know where the keys are. I would like to burn it down, that'd make a cool video.